Hi there y'all, I am back with another video of my E36. In this video I will be going over all different kind of subjects, but I'll be starting off with the fenders I got from K2 Industries. These over fenders are so nice, at least in my opinion these are. Oh, my glasvezel dat precies niet. Oh! Oh! Ja, goedemiddag, ben om een bron dat beloofd. Why does this always happen to me? Anyhow, this is just a small part of a full body kit. I'll put it right here in the corner. I think this is the coolest part of the whole kit. You also have panels to close up your passenger doors, but I don't think that's something I will do. I will tell you later on in this video what the plan actually is of this car, and then you can decide for yourself if that's something positive or something negative. Of course, the woman I am didn't want to cut in the original fenders, so I bought me some second-hand ones. I only have the right side right now because the guy didn't have the left side. In my opinion, it's a much better option if you can't just keep your original parts the way they are, because at the end of the day, if you keep your original parts, you can always go back to like the stock car, which can come in handy at sometimes. So yeah, let's start off with test fitting the fenders on the car. I'll be starting off with the left side and taping it to the fender just to create the illusion that it's already stuck on there. So you can decide for yourself if this is something you would want on your E36. I think it has a much more aggressive look to it, and I like it. In this kit you can also buy the side skirt from underneath, so everything just looks a little bit more put together, because right now this is just one piece and you know it doesn't look quite finished. But if you paint a fender in the correct color and you make it more even with the side, you have a good overlay, then it should be fine. Still, I recommend just buying like everything. To be honest, I am not really feeling the vibe with the E36, so I might consider selling it actually. First of all, to me, it feels like a toy car. Some people might love that, some people might hate that, but I am not a really big fan of it. As I said, it might be some people's cup of tea, but it's not mine. So this car is for sale right now on Marketplace. If you're interested, go check it out. A lot of things have been changed on this car, a lot of things have been replaced on this car. There are still a few issues, but it's an E36, so that's something you must be prepared for. I'll line up everything I did on this car with the price next to it so that you can see for yourself if it would be something you were interested in. I might get a lot of hate on my opinion for the E36, but on the other hand, why would I keep a car that I don't absolutely love? That's just a waste of space, waste of time, and waste of car. So yeah. This is from the previous inspection, and we checked on everything and changed up everything. Everything is replaced, so the car should be almost 100% fine. I'll interrupt you here for a minute. These are some clips of the work I did on the car in connection with the inspection. So here you can see I am starting off with removing the brake drums, and then afterwards I removed the brake shoe kit. This was one of the easier tasks. You just have to know how everything is put together and how everything is assembled so that you don't make any mistakes, because that can be very crucial. Just remove the springs of the brake shoe kit and remember what spring belongs where, because that's where mistakes happen. Next up is these tie rods. I had to replace these as well, and they were very crusty, as you can see. This was a little bit more of a pain in the ass. These guys were so stubborn. We didn't get these loose in like the first 2 hours and a half for just one side. So let me tell you, this was very time consuming. We even tried heating everything and warming everything up to make it loose. Not a success. So instead you had to take the part out with the joint. And as you can see for yourself here, they really needed some replacement. The steering rack cover was also on the inspection paper because one of them was cracked. Replaced that, everything should be okay now. So let's get back to the video. I am not going back to the inspection because, as I said, I probably will be selling this car. The next thing is that I would like to learn how to drift, because I see everybody and their mother and their E36s just sliding everywhere, and that this car is known for being a really good drift car. I'm not a drifter. Will I ever be? The future will tell, because right now I actually don't know. But the thing is, I cannot let go of this car without having the experience of sliding, drifting this car. The only issue is I am not on my own property, and I don't think anybody appreciates me leaving marks on the ground. So now I need to search for like a good spot where I'm not annoying anyone. I will have to YouTube how I will do this. Like, I know clutch kicking, and I know it's not good for your car, so I just want to avoid that. I've been in drift cars, but I never did it myself. But there's a first time for everything. I'm a little bit nervous. My seat is also not in the best condition, and I don't know how to fix it. Alright, let's see what YouTube tells me. How to drift in a E36.
When the car starts to pivot, while it's actually rotating, you're going to steer the wheel to the right at about the 4,000 RPM. Snap the wheel, and now you're actually doing a donut. And what we're doing while we're doing the donut is I'm pedaling the...
I'm scared. It's 3 p.m. on a Friday, so I don't think this is the best timing to do this type of job. I'll be coming back later tonight. I will, and I must do it. It's 7 p.m. on a Sunday night, so I think this is the perfect timing to start and learn how to drift again. So I'll be looking for a different spot than I was planning usual, and let's see how that goes. Yeah! Just act like you didn't see that. Take number 2. Well, I must say I am proud of myself. As you saw, I did it one time. That was actually very exciting. This is absolutely something that can start an addiction. Yeah. But the thing is, here in Belgium, this is very much not something that is appreciated by the police and everybody else. So after one drift, the lights turned on of this factory, and that's when I get scared and I just have to run. So I'm back to the hangar. I will absolutely do this more. I just have to look for better spots. I'm very sorry that this is just a small video clip, but that's just all I could do in terms of like not getting caught and being safe. So I will absolutely do this again. Very nice. Because yesterday was not as exciting as I thought it would be, here I am back again in my backyard with the E36, the M3, the S2K, and all the other cars. First of all, I want to master the E36, and when I can handle this car, we can go over to the big boss. Oh shit! Probleem! Niet goed, niet goed, niet goed, niet goed. I don't think this was actually the best idea. At least I can't say I haven't tried it. As if nothing ever happened. Tried to cover it up a little. Well, I did my best, can't do anything more than this. I hope I won't be killed by tonight. I am going to end the video here. If anybody knows a place in Belgium where it is legal to drift, or there's somebody that can teach me, I would very much appreciate that. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it a little, even though I thought it would go different than it actually did. So that was really not something I would expect. But I hope I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.